Ete we said assembly si kono. Any pay 2 months was say Omodi Akufo Addo meju form at any point in time every blessed day. Just ombe kasa ni rough. Ama ebi mo si omo so entwen. They say no. Odi Ahenkan abe clash with former PNC flag bearer Bernard Mano. Efa 7 nkwasi akeka bi a obe kan fa Akufo Addo ho no. Now is Ghana one of the biggest bloggers, ZionFelix. Wabe share the frustration concerning a nema of fame amani a won concerning this Mahama's administration. They say dem on nemu enye easy. Ama Scanty of share this series no abekasa. How Penyah block media. Mess was say need mo. Obe like video no other man put subscribe button some click notification icon for latest update. Na be chere wa dwen da ma me e wo comment. Expense obaso. No say first Penyah bi ahwe. E wo say yanka bi she last week ni mo. And it was a video be appear free Joy News. Joy FM for only pay free buy. As the video you confidence former PNC flag bearer. And the Bernard Mano. Now no just will believe say Arise Ghana, demonstrators no activists or can be. Kongofukobia bomu hanu efromu engofukobia komho bomu. Ayefromu Arise Ghana na minimum agenda. Just the bia no. O ma agenda na yekrofori atayemfa de bra. Akufo Addo mu yanchi wetu. Kwasi akeka ngwa. Kwasi akeka sana de ache. Kwasi akeka sana de ache. Ama Bernard Mano inu waka hu bi. Na video ni mo no. Na se Bernard Mano o kan se ensem no. Nyamere no kure no. Entwa ye. O kirem se senka owotumi a anka Akufo Addo Ghana history mu he. Baby Akufo Addo dingo piano. Enko de sebi ade be kata so.
So as for my friends in the MPP, I thought that by now they should be taking time to reflect on their bad record. And I keep saying this. If I have power, anywhere I see President Akufo Addo in our books, in any document, you just take bitumen and plaster it. Because this is a man you don't want to be associated with as president before.
Oh, Bernard, that's not fair. That's too harsh a statement.
I wish I could do less.
That's a harsh statement.
I wish I could do less. Seriously. This man...
This is somebody who got power twice. Ghanaians voted him.
Yeah, one of the powers that he got was that the Electoral Commission, under dubious legal regime, will say that a person that is accused of doing wrong things should not appear.
But Bernard, this man also brought free SHS.
Under what conditions?
No, whatever it is, we still have.
I'm saying under what conditions?
Well, he implemented it.
That
did
under
something. There are people that.
I'm saying that if I have the opportunity today, I'll take bitumen. You know bitumen? Very dark, that we use to put on our roads. Anywhere I come across President Akufo Addo, I will take away the president attached to his name.
The important thing is I don't do things to please anybody. And I don't do them for the comfort of any individual, let alone a political party.
That's right.
Nia memehu and amekaya. Says Oshe Akufo Addo ni performance in government.
Yeah.
Ni record. It appears that he is the greatest minus in our life. Now why nepe negative?
Obiape positive.
Obiape positive. Inti I come dia. Na bebia yehu se Akufo Addo din ewo as president of Ghana. In order not to remind ourselves of the negative governance that Akufo Addo brought. Enke yemfa kotar. Na yemfa ntare ni din so that it doesn't reflect as president. Because every score, Akufo Addo was a disaster.
Every score?
Every score, he was a disaster. And Akufo Addo yi and oko America.
Radio XYZ.
To go and tell Anthony Blinken, say Burkina Faso, Mpenyimfono, they are heading towards Ghana. Or reported Burkina Faso to the America so that America will do to Ibrahim Traoré what they have done to Venezuela President Nicolás Maduro. You call that a positive? Destroying the long-standing relationship between the people of Ghana and Burkina Faso. That is not a positive. It is a Burkina Bebia sorry na otie Ghana nsem na omosi Akufo Addo president before na ni boefu.
Okay.
So what will you do in such circumstances? Because you have to cover it. Just plaster it so that that thing doesn't remind them that there was a Ghana president who signed the military base. They signed the military base in Accra. Sesiano, in part of the military base in Semina na Kano. And I remember speaking eloquently about it. And now, make us say, share the agreement, no clause by clause, now 19 clauses. Clause by clause. One of the clauses said that Ghana will be used as transit. Transit to where?
No, the Okasa, Unibaka Okasa, Bernard Mano Unimuno, or no, 2023. Or no, Ankasa Batuna Numuto paying essay. There was a certain point in life when Sheku for an Kabua Bichinary, Kodani Abuabi Kodani, Ekoda Gudem. So when Sheku Fordwa and Kodani Abuabi, no Okon here to the point they say it was Akufo Addo who then gave him $2,000 or the chair free essay on fire.
Oh, President Akufo Addo has been a very good person to me. Because me, and this is within the time now I make General Secretary for the first time. Mustafa Hamid, no year, spokesperson to Akufo Addo. Nam, Eko New Plan Station, Eko Faka. At the time, my colleagues have already gone to Bolga for campaign. And I'm running for General Secretary. My colleagues have already gone. Now some team to bigger more. I didn't have a car. So I'm going to New Plan to go and pick a car. And to go and also contest for General Secretary. I say, why? Have you spoken to Akufo Addo? I said, no. None in the office. I was the back of Odo Rice. Until I say Akufo Addo will be within that area in the next 10 minutes. You're trying 15 minutes, Papa. No, but now Mr. Bebe me quite car. I said that me train. The man came. I called the office and Mustafa Kachran. So I could run and say, oh, young man, I'm told you are going to run for General Secretary. I wish you all the best. He pulled money. He didn't count. Maybe I need $2,000.
I see. Oje.
I took it.
I want patron one at the mouth.
Let's say Akufo Addo.
Your mom penny or tea.
Yes, he did that for me.
We are PNC.
The PNC. Then he said, I wish you all the best. He supported me at the time with $2,000. When I came out and I showed it to Mustafa, I said, I wish you well, brother. Man, call New Plan View. Make call Alamo car rental. A war a bank. You know what I'm saying? Granada Hotel.
Okay.
And I make a rent a car. And then I was able to move out.
That time, not dollar, 15 cedis. 15 meaning say 300 million. Go for the channel. 300 million. It is canon. 300 million. Go for the field botomo. The channel. Say on fire. And penny for ya can say. Sebe. What the baby paying? And ka fire buoy. Would be any paying, sir? 300 million way. Say go for the toy nine any nentry. But now come out must see a tolia. Uluma what the home fast war. Or the aquache. I'm a nipper the quacher on and ne. Say any part count quasiasem. Sebe, nipper one moment the dear, Omadania Buaco. O moody dear the man of your true form, as you money. Feed the abua and ne. Debbie who are no yam the podia or dawasisa. Debbie who are no yam the podias and need to say whom. Feed the nipper ne a nipper which them not feeding in ne. Yes, we are bua free swoma. The whole and no one, the whole none and no soul, no big canquas as much. At the yammy one. That was ya. Sound same way now. Bernard Mano back a cayano. No, I know the Ahenkan. I will reply.
Na na bidi na samwa ha me boso na me twa nkofo bia manepa na ya to bua se nkofo bua ha ma dwun so mu pani
Ende enye.
na pani fo mu mekasa ya enkola no besua obi di se Bernard Mona etimi tina no kasa onya ya nka na do dan kwakufa na records no yemfa bitumi enkata so. How dare you?
Was nipa bo ho no mo a o kan asem we dey say wo so so.
Debi See a buanu say, oh, I mean anything. This is where interviews on my penny, His Excellency John Mahama, Echa Kunyasui, and your papa pay ye. Not that you are buna memory, no quoting fear, no to no fear. Abakacha say, young Fabi to me, and Kata Mahama records so. Oh, you need pa obeyan for so, but to me time, why are the panso? I'm a Ghana. This Nanado is the leader who was bold enough to say, if you have uncle, I once a woman, young yes, Aquano. If he's a professor, if he's His Excellency Akufo Addo, I can't be taken. Now they taking this bold decision. This is a leader. Our class a Ghana for Mambako secondary school. Obia Banko free. And you are telling me say young for to me Katan another record. How dare you? Bernard Mona, who are you? I know some says out there, you're picketing. You're going to everywhere. And then what is your contribution for you to attack the former president? Say, the record never be to me. When Mahama visas how back home. Tia reply man I am there. Says a beman groma.
Now, answer as if for your one Simbia Yaka, especially the course of a school near just so your team Sabbath school near just Asafuna Kuma. Sabbath school, Obia, whatever home. Edi, Mama Muono, Obia, whatever home. Nisentino. Ghana, one of the biggest bloggers in Ghana here. Almost started Jumana Chepa, ZionFelix. ZionFelix, you answer by sharing the first story. You tell me, say, no light bill. Prepare the water. Prepare the power water. Come here and say, in the space of 1 week biano auto prepaid 10 million 1,000 cedis. I say ZionFelix can of course amania wo namu enye easy.
Say about two things here and then me kasa the be TTT ya kasa about fuel and electricity. Upie ba kon de bia upie ba we nko a upie ye de ama bia obaba na say political party bia obaba bia upie we nko a de upie akoto fuel no say ba na ko up then assistant
I think I had been away for a very long time. If you have October, right? Yeah. If you have October, you call China. I continue to other places, and they are mostly me. Should I focus on fuel? The price. They might say a cost through. About for cost from. Until me buy, and I know I have a specific amount of money. I mostly buy, and mostly either 500 or maybe full bar. So many Ghana dia. Oh yeah, why? Jesus Christ over from a car. I got to go to full 200 cities. Okay. Because Ghana using it. The 200 is for you to go to wherever you are going and come back.
But NDC ba power to full.
It was on by year.
Yeah, what to full ta.
And you know, me bag like December no. Me instead of focus phone I just go and buy say Rebecca bana esa na mato. Okay. I think that very day or day before no. Me call me to 500. No, at the last bar, no, say we had done a so yellow no. So 500, but me can 2.0. So, me talk about Omubuza, and I cause I also Omubua, you have to off the fuel, the car. Yeah. It was Pakia Nafe, ready. Ave, yes, Pakia car, at the cost for there more other cars for her. Ospakia gave me a call, Nasaba back, I better be but with the Dodge, no. So, Ospakia, a Koto Street. I think either the last but 1 bar or the last but 2 bar. I came half now usually, and I drew. I'm like, how? No, in fact, that was the first time I'm margin course, and that is why I spoke about it. No, I told me buy my 2 when I'm margin, and she course say a quite that far. To me, I know in the past, some tofu a boy do half now stop it. So who must there? I will see a foot tank, but more me interact there 500 Diana a half bar. But when I call like nah, I go say for price. Bia some at least ultim the koba a check a crack before say what I offer. So I feel like if something of this nature, my experience na yeah. I mean,
Ocha won't experience it be that first time.
1,
yeah, Ghana go hamu you.
3, 4, 5. But I mean, 1 and 2. It was away prepaid meters.
Okay.
In the past, I used to buy 2,000 a month. Not too much. It was 2,000 to buy 2-3 months.
Okay. In the
past. 2,000 in the past. Yeah. Oh, I think there's like 2 years back or 3 years back. And I made this about 1,000 Ghana cedis. 1,000 a chapa. Now, me back Ghana December, okay. we have 4 receipts. Now, in the 1 month, what they me receipt into me, why can't starting fee assessing. Okay. Why can't dates no come out? Every time I'm talking dates. Dates was saying.
Okay. We 17th
December.
2025.
17th and 11th. In do 1 month. In
do 1 month.
So where receipt from 17th to a net date. I in the 1 month. It was saying
1,000 Ghana.
Fatwo. Next.
Okay.
Fair dates.
Okay.
Dates.
So 26th December.
How much the date before? How many days in a year? I think so. From 17 to 27.
9 days.
9 days.
9 days.
Not 1,000 that's okay. 1,000 cities. I'm talking 17th no.
Yeah.
And some go to that 1,000 cities. That's not, after 9 days. 1,000 cities. That's Fatwo. 1,000.
Okay. 2,000 no.
Where 2,000? 26. No, we did by
2nd January.
How many days after we know?
We are 7 days.
7 days, but 1,000 cities. 7 days. 1,000 cities prepared. That's okay. Fatwo. Next.
1,000. It was here. We are 8th January.
How many days? No.
5 days.
5 days. 1,000 cities. That's I was 5 days prepaid with them. Prepaid them. In fact, my father was shocked. Papa say, "Also, you're off. Prepaid sound. Area for your light. You go in light. I was prepaid as I was at me to prepaid 2nd January 2026. 5 days time. 1,000 cities inside. And then 11th January. In less than a month, I spend 4,000 cities. If you're ready. If you're a store, how? Hey! How? I don't get that point. Fact in one. I was here 4,000 Ghana cedis. Busumi soon. I was here from 17th and 11th. It's like 6 days. I'm Busumi Nason. It's a Medisaba or Baku, and the 16th, 6th. Wait, November, Fanton. I was here, we're for now. Okay. I was here in less than a month. I've spent 4,000 Ghana cedis just on prepaid. Ha! Just on prepaid 4,000. I didn't first time use 2,000 Ghana cedis no. From December 17th till 11th January 2026. December 17th, that is last year. Mindi one man too. Mato 4,000 worth of prepaid. Some do some so mato 5,000. I was here. Oh, yes. I was it's how. I was here. It's almost been can't say it's ne boy mahapa. 2.5. It's ne 2.5. I bought it and bow. 2.5 say a 70. I should jam by force.
But Odev, I want to ask this. Me, Shada, I don't know much about this. How easy for more. Yes, but my main busau. Osha, because I know my we use what demo hono. I know I'm use. What do you think? Say, air course this kind of.
Okay, me nim. I don't be chilling. Me, truth is, it's a 4-bedroom house. One of the rooms will be on them. It's already so light in Puyan here. I work a storeroom. Me father also easy. Me offer I them on so easy. Me living room, it about 3 months can be living room order. TV ya so quiet TV and as a lights and a fan it's whole AC 2.5 years so. Me them on kwa and so AC, so TV, so lights. And a studio has a key. That is what I've been using. That is the same thing I've me father do for your car if you know home. The way I normally say of you, even me bedroom, me 2.5 AC I said. They say me 1.5. Me 1.5 AC and all a demo. I'm to go to prepaid, but I could do 11 days. There's a I could see you. I boy, they say, "Enter." What's the boss? It's a call. What the boss? That's a call.
But what do you think, say, should be the solution to this? Because me sure say, and you want
but say, yeah. Also, obi be kind.
Yeah.
Say, wait until you buy
prepaid electricity. Also, we thought your friends electricity. We thought prepaid. I know I be kind of woman.
And the moment 200, 800, and what do you Well, I know that people buy 200 cities, 300, and I'm the man goes home that the man call for, and ultimately so AC that. I mean, how? So I think if there's any incremental, it's easy for my country because when I went to baby Omoton prepared, maybe then and new ones now to me the phones at Tony Bino, me other properties no, me the phone at a moment and how but maybe then the old one can carry me also call a phone or some merchant phone now or tono. In fact, me call who said second one assassin I'm calling them abandon one say but how? No so low key no Omatum. That's what he told me. So boy me boy on the tongue prepared the mommy. Or see low key no Omatum. And that's why I call fast no. And you know, by what tomorrow the catcher say what to near time you better. Because yeah, the more also what the TV do are off. We shoot an echo off. Now I said we be I remember the new issue to us. Should be I think come after funeral, right? Yeah. We're almost done. Then echo off. We have to start. We have to go and do it again and restart everything. No. What tomorrow? You make me aware say. Oh my God, for you, oh, it's a lights in your tomb. Until now, you how I plan to make quite a 1,000 series beam. It's a coming, how much I meant to. Because 1,000 series 85 days. 1,000 series 85 days. I mean, how? What did I do in the house? Me, yesterday, I like every day during Christmas. No. Me, Tiffy. Obiani has said, my pardon a day. I them, sir. ECG, you best some of them are tomorrow. I say, if there's a fault with my meter, because, and that is the thing that people are also telling me, say, probably there's a fault with the meter, because with the 1,000 cities, 5 days.
5 days.
I don't know,
because me, the reason maybe so silence made me feel home talk as 200. And I thought a cry 50 cities cry a chamami.
Had a problem with me,
but maybe there is one, maybe. Me to me phone for at all. And you know, so bit my on my check and so on. But it's too much.
Look at me chairman so or you sue a friend saying old one be. So a really now.
Yeah.
Now or the app in it here.
App.
What's a app? Is it app? In the postpaid in no. There was no normal ability. So this is a situation whereby not make M na crack. This is a situation whereby postpaid no, at the end of the month. Now app no, I'm an amount I want here. Oh, we used to app this for like a year or two. Even easy for about checking me tano, I was be okay. And Nancy also is maybe baha or say a cow meter so. So how I pay every month. App maybe I am cost I'm into material. Or say the app is not reading the meter well. I'm like how do you tell me say app no mama yeah no. Say every meter, I'm a cost no. The app is not reading the meter well into what the cow meter so. So how do you come and tell me this story? Say, oh app now why you know? Into me the car. And into me to a can of warrior all for to
me. Because me fear how say I think it's the first day I'm using app on my toy and it could go be there so. Me who I'm using me meter number. In a meter number, so I'm using dinner by and in feel ready.
No, okay, my point is say this is what the person has been using all this while. So why do you create an app? I had a problem, remember?
I think the app now said like there was a problem on it. They have to update it. They have to really update it. Yeah.
They say so or they got 5,000.
And it's own so yeah.
But how? And then the fault. And you're the fault.
Yeah, like I said, app nangasa someone.
Is it in Babucho? No, you talk to say,
young quiet that them now. Yeah, no,
stressful.
Because they are quite no, they are
how much 12? How much 12 now? Light cover. I've not been why one out lights.
Oh, man, then.
But them. I feel like the app is good. The app there is good, but I'm trying to fix it. I'm not being an engineer because say I'm trying to be a good citizen. When you give me a cost on the app, I pay it as soon as possible. Then months back, you come and tell months later, me say, oh app now, Emma make price no. And your papa.
Or to answer yet no.
Yet no. ne abasa on the car but wo ba be read a wo say app no ne wo reading now wo reading it different
na Zion na see ya ana Scanty wo ko je share this studio ono so e ko make you tweet bi ana so o ko make you tweet bi e wo Twitter currently X e no kire say and the number of people searching for jobs alone is another struggle on its own. Enipa epe adwuma ye wo Ghana ha, the unemployment rate ekoso Ghana ha no mo no. Eno another struggle on its own. Eno ya another struggle on its own. Enye easy. Eno another problem. Abebusia we abia asem kese e wo Ghana ha no mo. Ubetu a kire wa adwen ama me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.